Teie ees on Stuudio Tote Audition Prep.
You got the invitation, you got the right address. You need some medication, the answer's always yes. A little chance encounter could be the one you've waited for. Just squeeze a bit more. Tonight we're on a mission, tonight's the casting call. If this is the real audition, oh God help us all. You make the right impression, then everybody knows your name. We're in the fast lane. Someone in the crowd could be the one you need to know, the one to finally lift you off the ground. Someone in the crowd could take you where you wanna go. If you're the someone ready to be the someone ready to need to do to rediscover you and make you more than who you're singing now. So with the stars aligned, I think I'll stay behind. You got it going on. That's someone in the crowd. Somewhere there's a place where I find who I'm gonna be. A somewhere that's just waiting to be found.
No, suurepärane kihvt on näha sellist stiilipuhast Broadway'd, mis suurepäraselt sobib ka siia show ja karakteri teemaplokki.